Lisa from Al Azhar University. I will read stories about business in US. US surge after last inflation report slow progress on price hikes. Economists expected the consumer price index to increase to 2.8% annually, moving further away from typical rates of price hikes. Recently, progress on inflation appears to be stuck or at worst revising a closely watched chart of underlying price hikes. An index that includes highly volatile category had burgered off for the month. On Wednesday, it gone unstuck. The closely watched core measuring of the consumer price index lowered for the first time in months, according to Bureau of Labor Statistics data released Wednesday. The trading, coupled with some better than expected wholesale inflation data received on Thursday, support optimism in the market. U.S. stocks spiked Wednesday morning as the CPI report boosted traders hope that the deferral river will continue its rate-cutting campaign this year. The Dow was up by almost 700 points in the morning trading, while the S&P rose by 1.69% and the Nasdaq Composite was higher by 2%. The CPI means price charts across commonly purchased goods and services. Overall, the CPI did increase more than anticipated, rising 0.4% from November and jumping 0.2 percentage point to annual rates of 2.9%. However, the monthly gain was largely driven by gas and food price. Energy price, particularly gas and fuel costs, accounted for 14% of the overall monthly increase. Food price and remains affiliated as key staples such as the meat and eggs continue to face pressure for weather and disease repetitive. Food and gas are two the most visible and frequent way that consumers encounter inflation. And when prices go up in areas where people, especially lower income Americans, spend most of their monthly budget, is this here turning in the fall. In the context of inflation, measure energy and food are two of the most valuable category, and habits will swing because of the factor considered one time in nature. Excluding energy and food, the closely watched core CPI charts slow for the first time in the month, rising just 0.2% from November and easing to 3.2% after staying stuck as 3.3% since September 2024. Market research positively this morning for a good reason. The Federal Reserve is okay with watching the headline CPI to go temporary if that increase does not spill over into the core CPI. And this is what happened in December, huge element shift economy for Raymond James Ward in the note issued Wednesday. Economists were expecting inflation to pick up 0.3% from November and notch a 2.8% annual increase, primarily due to expectation around higher energy and food price. The consensus estimation on FactSet did anticipate core slowing on the monthly basis but hold firm at 3.3% from the year. Progress that painful increase post necessity Wednesday report marked the final CPI reading for 2024 and the last before President Joe Biden handed the key over President-elect Donald Trump. While the cause of this recent bout of inflation were multi-phase and largely related to COVID-19 pandemic and its fallout. The sharp rise in price hit American heart and proved to be a critical factor at the ballot box. Price of advertised items are 21% higher than they were in 2021. Over a typical 4 years period, price tend to rise just under 10% BLS data show, which have risen faster than inflation for 20 months. The latest BLS data show, however, they remain below where they were 4 years ago. Inflation has lowered significantly since topping out at 9.10 in June 2022. However, to return to more typical rates, inflation was expected to be highly bumpy, and that happiness was off full display in 2024. The CPI started this past year at 3.10, just higher in March, and increased fear as a re-acceleration key interest rate cut off the table, but ultimately was short-lived. Consumer price inflation showed as low 20 at 2.40 in September, but as the past 3 months have shown the path back to normal is the smooth. And although market critiques the data for how it may factor into the Fed fight against inflation and manufacture reduction of high interest rate, it doesn't take away from the fact that this way a particularly painful report for American consumer, not Robert Frick, corporate economic at Navy Federal Credit Union. The cost of necessity that hurt household budget, especially for lower income America, are among the top reason inflation rose in December, he wrote. Those include high price for food, both in restaurant and grocery store, energy, shelter, and vehicle insurance. Thank you for watching.